The world as we know it is dependent greatly on the internet, and searching for information could never be easier, thanks to Google. Google has revolutionized internet search and is now a necessity or perhaps key to opening doors of information on the internet. But now there is a new kid on the block, the fascinating, charming and lovey-dovey, with a shirt tucked in, hair all combed, and is part of all the gossip in the town. No, I am not talking about young Sheldon, it's ChatGPT. Someone who could potentially threaten the charms of Google. Especially with the news that ChatGPT is going online.
Awesome.
While Google is a powerful search engine and offers a wide range of services, ChatGPT's advantages lie in its conversational nature, personalized responses, flexibility, creativity, privacy, security, and customizability, making it a valuable tool for various applications that require interactive and dynamic language-based interactions. As artificial intelligence continues to advance rapidly and people eagerly explore its potential, ChatGPT has the capability to fundamentally transform the current landscape in several significant ways. Starting at 7 is improved communication. ChatGPT can facilitate communication between people who speak different languages, breaking down language barriers and fostering global collaboration and understanding. It can also help individuals with speech or hearing impairments to communicate more effectively, promoting inclusivity. Number 6 is enhanced education. ChatGPT can revolutionize education by providing personalized learning experiences, tutoring, and access to vast amounts of knowledge. It can adapt to individual learning styles, provide explanations, and answer questions, making learning more engaging, interactive, and accessible to all. Innovation and problem solving at number 5. ChatGPT can aid in innovation and problem solving by generating creative ideas, assisting with research and analysis, and providing expert insights. It can accelerate the development of new technologies, scientific breakthroughs, and solutions to complex challenges such as climate change and healthcare. Point 4 is customer service and support. ChatGPT can improve customer service and support by providing instant and accurate responses to customer inquiries, resolving issues, and guiding users through processes. This can enhance user experience, streamline business operations, and save time and resources. For instance, it can help a customer troubleshoot issues with a product or service, guide them through a step-by-step process, and provide solutions in real time, enhancing the customer experience and improving customer satisfaction. Decision-making. Yes, at number 3, ChatGPT can assist in decision-making by providing data-driven insights, analyzing options, and simulating scenarios. It can help individuals and organizations make informed choices across various domains, including business, policy, and personal life. Like it can help a business analyze market trends, customer data, and financial information to make informed decisions about product development, pricing, and marketing strategies. On second position, creativity and art. ChatGPT can inspire creativity and art by generating stories, poetry, music, and visual designs. It can serve as a tool for artists, writers, and musicians to spark new ideas, explore different styles, and push the boundaries of creative expression. For instance, it can generate story ideas for writers, compose music for musicians, or create visual designs for artists. It can be used as a tool for artists to brainstorm and explore new creative possibilities. And finally, the most important, number 1 is accessibility and inclusivity. ChatGPT can promote accessibility and inclusivity by providing information and services to people with disabilities, such as visual impairments or cognitive limitations. It can assist with tasks such as reading, writing, and navigation, making digital content and services more accessible to a wider audience. For example, it can help individuals with visual impairments by reading out text on websites, providing audio descriptions of visual content, or assisting with navigation through voice commands, making digital information more accessible and inclusive. This concludes today's video. Thank you for tuning in.